This is Ben from techlockdown.com. If you're setting up a Chromebook for yourself or for another person, one of the most important things you need to configure is porn blocking. At techlockdown.com, we take each kind of device and we break it down until we find the absolute best techniques to comprehensively block porn, and then also make the blocking techniques really difficult to disable or to get around. The first part of that blocking system for the Chromebook involves setting up DNS filtering on your home router. This means that if you use your Chromebook or any other device at home, you'll be benefiting from the content filtering that you've configured on your home internet connection. Most DNS filters are only effective at blocking the most common and easy to find pornographic websites. What most people find out after they set up a basic filter is that in a moment of weakness, when they're really motivated, after a little bit of searching, they're able to find unblocked content, and then it's like they're not blocking it at all. When you look for a DNS filter, you need to make sure you find one that uses machine learning, which is really similar to what Facebook uses when you upload a photo and they're able to find your friends in that photo. Machine learning is one way that these DNS filters can very effectively find and block adult content. If you're a Tech Lockdown member, you already get access to a DNS filter that uses machine learning. Setting up DNS filtering on your home router involves pointing your primary and secondary DNS servers to the IP addresses of the content filtering service that you decide to use. Once you've set up DNS filtering on your home internet connection, the next thing you're going to want to do is to configure the Chromebook to be a full or partially managed device. If you set up partial management on a Chromebook, you'll be able to set specific settings on the Chromebook like Google Safe Browsing or Google's adult content filtering, and then require a second password to change those settings. You can also require a second password anytime you want to download a new application from the Google Play Store. The most effective approach is to set up a fully managed Chromebook, and this is a technique that corporations and education institutes use when they're issuing a Chromebook for students or employees to use. This will allow you to turn on and force the usage of different adult content filtering features that Google provides with the Chromebook. But one of the most useful things this allows you to do is that you're able to install applications and make it so that they can't be deleted or disabled. So if you have access to a really good DNS filtering service like the one we provide at Tech Lockdown, you can install the roaming client that works on any internet connection, and the user can't disable it or delete it from the device. You can also automatically block any browser extensions that are used to get around filtering services. If you want to help setting up this blocking system, go to techlockdown.com and you'll get access to interactive tutorials that walk you through the entire process.